Hello guys, kanta-kanta tayo. Friday! Pasok! Pagod ako sa maghapon mag-garden. I can tell by your eyes that you brought and crying forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you in a mirror. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I just listen to my heart. Ikaw, Ante, anong kantahin mo? She's gone? Ulit-ulit na lang yan. As long will the shadow hide the color of my heart. Blue for the seas, black for the night. Fear the stars and the sky don't mean nothing to you there and me. Request kayo guys, kantahin natin. Talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I stay what you listen in my heart. Hi sa viewers natin nag-iisang. Oo nga, Friday ngayon. Request kayo ng kantahin ko. Alis ka din! Nagre-relax lang ako, napagod ako mag-garden. I am sailing home again. Stormy water, swimming near to be free. You're flying, I am flying like a bird from the sky. I am flying, buzzing high to be with you, to be free. Yes, I don't
Beer
know.
Brand lang ang gatas na may 100% vitamin D. Tulong sa tibay na sagad
Ikaw
sa
naman,
buto.
Deng. Kanta ka, Deng. Kanta ka. Just gano'n ulit-ulit na lang yun. Doon mo na. Kasi the wind. I close my eyes, only Comment daw po kayo dyan. Paano ba yan magbasa ng comment?
Di ba may naglalawin dyan?
Ayaw nila mag-comment. Yan na. Hi, Tia Nina. Kumusta? Nanonood siya. Request ka ng kanta. The dogs of your eyes. You think you can get through it. Just put your hands in my hand. And I'll show you how to do it. Magdudib ka kay Tia Nina. Dali. Yeah, budib. Hi kay Irish Amado is watching now. Wala. Nanonood sila. Ewan ko. I'll give you what you need. A love that's always true. Someone who believes in you. Bring them on the camera. Ano yun?
Pwede pala yun. Sakyan ka daw, Tia. Nakikita din sa camera, pag gano'n. Magpakita ka daw, Tia, sa video ka, baga naka-live ako. Sinong gusto umakyat dyan? Naka-live tayo. Pwede kayo makita din sa camera. Tatlo ng viewers.
Jesus has calcium
Ay, sa tatlo ka. Ay, sa tatlo.
Jesus for the strength to do more.
Hi, Tia. Ano pong ginagawa niyo?
Ako'y nagre-relax lang guys. Napalot ako mga garden. Mag-request kayo ng kantay natin.
The ring that need your finger. I want you always to remember. I want you to be part of my dreams.
Hi kay Ma'am Aimee Umali Valera is watching now. Nanonood si Ma'am Aimee din. Mag-hi ikaw. Dali.
Hi, pa. Hi, ma'am. Kumakain po ako ng noodles.
Kanta tayo.
I can feel your loving touch inside me. I can hear you whispering you want to stay close to me. Every day and every night, I never touch you like it feels so right. Every day it's you tonight.
I can't let go. Can't let go. Can't let go. Your body, what you know.
You give me just a lifetime. I stand beside you to raise the palm and dawn. Having it all is tempting away. I can feel you on so deep inside me. I can hear you whispering you want to stay close to me.
Every day, every night, I don't think about the love behind. Every day, it's a night. Let go.
can't let go. I'm still trying to win back your love again. I will be there. I will be there. Love, fall in love, and bring back the love someday. I will be there. I will be there. If we go there, all the way from the start, I will try to change the things that you don't like. Why does feel warm so strong that I can't get through? Is there really no chance to start once again? Galing yan, Ben. Gusto kayo din, guys. Kanta-kanta na tayo sa Sabado bukas. Sabado. Okay, nag-iskan. Kala mo na mukha.
Ikaw muna una. Ako yung mataas, ha?
Ah, yabang mo.
never much, wondering what you would say, hoping you understand.
Hi, ladies and Armon is watching. Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Relax lang akit. Kayo napagod mag-garden.
Give me a trouble mind and know it's you. I can do so much for you. I want you having near me, forever near me.
I want to be there and never know it.
Hi, kay Madam Angel. Pa-shout out mo. Pa-shout out daw. Hindi, may tinatawag kayo dyan sa Malubaga. Relax ngayon. Bring it on the camera. Pa-shout out po kay Madam Angel.
I want to eat it. Ano mo lang yung puga? Nami noodle.
Gusto mo Andeng, sis dyan daw kay Andeng. Kala mo naman kung kaya mo pantayin yan. Nag-request sis dyan daw. Sige nga daw. Sa kanila, mag-sis dyan.
Assistant po ako, guys. Ako yung mataas, si mama yung hindi.
Nadala ako dyan. Bawal yan. Magdala ka na lang ng coke. Pag nahuli manginginom, pumunta kayo lahat dito. Hindi ako manginginom ay. Ay, kala mo kaya-kaya nakantayin yung sis ganun. Madami daw. Shout out sa isang manonood na magaling.
She's gone out of my life. I was wrong, and to blame was so untrue. I can live without her love, and my life was just an empty space. All my dreams are lost, wasting away.
Ayan na, matayo na si Andeng. Sige tayo. Go!
What I wish.
Nice, nice. Patok ka sa patok. Sana mas magandang boses. Sabi ni Madam Angel, nagwawala na ang baga si Ande.
She's gone out of my life. Oh, she's gone. I find it so hard to go on.
Nahulog ka naman dyan, Ande.
really miss the bird, my love.
Ay, shout out sa dalawang nanonood, guys.
Come back, it's Mars. I'm so lost. I'm begging you, I'm down on my knees.
And there go!
Cover me! Lady, what you say now? My heart belongs to you.
Birthday!
Lady, there's no forgetting. We're all belong to you.
Request ka na sila ka, Teo Maya. Ilan daw sa'yo?
Huwag kang bobo. 840 grams, 300 pesos na lang. Mag-Bear Brand araw-araw.
Hi, Ben. Kamusta? Ba't ayaw niyo umakyat? Bring it on the camera. Binibig na! Ba't ayaw? Dapat kayo sa video.
Love is to the light. It's a fake you. Love bombs.
Hi sa apat na nanonood dyan. Sino mga yan? Mag-comment kayo guys. Shoutout ko kayo. Ayan, relax lang tayo ngayon at walang pasok. Sino naman itong isa? Hi, Madam Mariel. Madam Mariel is watching now. How are you?
Check lahat ito with Nido 5 Plus.
Check the label, mommy.
Okay, yan.
na nagkanta si mama na.
Sige daw, o, kung alam mo. Ano ko na?
I will be there. I will be there.
Mag-request kayo guys, kantayin ko.
I lose control because of you, babe. I lose control. Do you look at me like this? There's something in your eyes that is here tonight. The song that comes when you inside and I lose control. And I lose to you, babe. I lose control. Don't look at me like this. There's something in your eyes. Is this love at first sight?
Tadeng, alam mo, Tadeng.
Thinking.
Hi guys, good evening po sa lahat. Relax lang tayo. Na-miss ko na mag-live. Nagla-live ako dati nung nasa YouTube pa ako eh.
I wanna fall down from the sky. I wanna live with you that never dies. I wanna change the world only for you. For the impossible, I wanna do. I wanna hold you close for the rain. I wanna kiss your smile and feel the pain. I know it's beautiful looking at you. In a world of lies, you are the truth. And baby, every time you touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are. And bring you everything you want for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. When you tell me that you love me, wanna be is what I want. Hi guys, sa tatlong nanonood na ang ating ko. Hi kay Madam, ano to? Lucy Valera is watching. Sa kanya ba daw? Hindi, si Madam ano, Lucy. Like a touch me, I become a hero. I'll make you safe no matter where you are. And bring you everything you ask for. Nothing is above me. I'm shining like a candle in the dark. Tell me that you love me.
Thinking.
Hi guys, apat na nanonood dyan. Kumusta kayo dyan? Relax lang tayo ngayon dahil Friday. Places you leaving, but I guess this just the way it is tolerable. You always smile, but in your eyes, your sorrow is shown. He isn't sure. Sino naman ito? Si Madam ano? Hindi, si Madam Jo Valera is watching now. Ay sa'yo. Ay si Madam Rosie Umali Urbita. Ay ma. I can't live if it is without you. I can't live. I can't live anymore. I can't live if living is without you. I can't live. I can't live anymore. Request tayo guys ng kanta natin. Relax lang tayo. Napanood ko yan, nakakatakot. Naririnig niyo daw ba guys? Baka yung electric fan sa lamig ako. I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here in each time. Shout out guys, shout out sa inyo. I wonder where you are tonight. What's wrong with the telephone? Ay sa anim na nanonood dyan. The night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end on. How long? Did I always think that you're mine? I never really cared till I met you. And now it just gets to the point. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? Hi, Bamlet Barbie Show is watching now. Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Magandang gabi po. Know how long I have waited, and I was there to see you tonight. But a cigarette is to my phone, and my love for you is still alone. Ba't nawala? Ba't nawala din?
Ayun guys, ayun yung sumamin niyo.
Ba't nawala? Ano ba yan siya? Ano yung nagagawa ng Shopee?
Batang Chucky, everybody's buddy.
Heaven knows that I get a little bit lonely and I never come around. Turn around. Hi guys! Good evening po sa lahat. Ayan, mag-relax-relax lang tayo. Sa kayo na-stress. Gaan na lang natin sa kanta lahat. I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard to try. You deserve to have so much more. I can feel your heart and set aside, and I never close eyes. Whatever meant to my life. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna lead you on. I don't wanna hold you back from where your mind belongs. You would never ask me why. My heart is so disguised. I just can't live for anymore. I would rather hurt myself